Get on the flavor train. Get on the flavor train. Get on the flavor train. Get on the flavor train with your girl, Lady T. Ooh, yeah. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your girl, Tonya, Lady T, and this is another edition of LadyTSensations at home, working remote. It's lunchtime, and what did I feel like today, y'all? What did I feel like today? My spicy noodles. Yes. And I got me some cucumbers and a hunk of burning love sharp cheddar cheese from the block. And of course, I'm on my Diet Coke kick. That's just what I want now. Anyway, thank you, most gracious and heavenly Father, for the food I'm about to receive for the nourishment of my body, for Christ's sake. Amen. Let's do it. Y'all already know I got to do it moving, because I'm at home on lunch break and I'm hungry. Had to go to the dentist this morning, get the pearly whites cleaned. All look good. So I come back in 6 months. Now, y'all, these are the spicy noodles. So I can't be doing a whole lot of talking. I'll try to get some talking in. But come on and just chill with me. Stop what you're doing. Subscribe to my channel. And y'all hit the notification bell. I'm telling you, YouTube is like every week they change up the game. Please, 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 just for me. Please. Y'all know I'm trying to move out of this apartment so I can get my own house. Y'all help a sister out and like this video right now. Just hit the, what is it gonna hurt? Just hit the like and hit the notification bell so y'all already know when I upload. Y'all will be notified. And I also want to let y'all know, stay tuned for tomorrow night. For the month of May, I'm going to do a live video every Tuesday nights. Between 6:30 and 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. So y'all, just, you know, stay tuned for that. I might do 1 or 2 at my mother's house with Tonya. I have to mix this stuff in good because, honey, you don't want to get a piece that is too hot. And, of course, I thank one of my viewers for buying me these chopsticks. So let's do it. Quit the talking. Y'all, I got avocado ranch dressing on these bad boys. Oh, that is so good. That hot, and then with that cool cucumber. And that hunk of cheese. I'm telling you, y'all, this stuff can be addicting. It's been a while since I had these. I can eat them now, y'all, but the first time, y'all already know, I was out for the count. I mean, all right, he just building, but it's tolerable. Oh, I know what we can talk about real quick. I was going to leave it. Well, we can still talk about it over there on my other channel. I was going to, y'all know with summertime in May is upon us. Shout out to all the graduates, you know, whether it be college or high school. Shout out to all the graduates, you know. Oh, gosh, this is so good, y'all. The flavor. The flavor. What's up with all these colleges muzzling, if you will, quenching, if you will? Look, these graduates, first of all, they or their mamas are paying for that education. Let them have their freaking moment when they walk across the stage. Now, I agree. If you got 5,000, and I'm just, you know, throwing that number out there. You got 5,000 graduates. Yeah, everybody can't do a 5-minute Soul Train line. We understand that. Everybody can't do the funky chicken, the Running Man, in the Cabbage Patch, and the Tootsie Roll, and the chicken noodle. You know, get you one little, like how I do on the TheFlavaTrain. Get you one little good move in, you know. Get you one little good move in and keep it moving. But I think it was at the University of Florida, some students, you know, they name was called and they were walking across the stage and they did their little ooh shakalaka now. I mean, you know, they did their own little dance. And somebody from the staff or the faculty just pretty much grabbed them like a bag of potatoes and, you know, quenched, interrupted their little dance. I mean, I look at it like this. Like I said, when you call the person's name, give them, you know, a 5 or 10 second pause. Because I know everybody wants to hear their child's name called. And I get that. I really do. Everybody wants to have their moment, you know. But come on now. You know, if they're walking towards you, hey, doing the Cabbage Patch, you know, they walking towards you to grab their diploma, let them do it. I mean, you know, what's the big deal? I don't know. That irritated me, you know. And it don't even, and I'm not even bringing up race because, you know, a lot of people say, oh, they did it to the black students and not the white students. Okay, well, you know, I'm not even going to touch that. It is what it is, and that might even be the case. But I'm just saying, for any student, black, white, Chinese, Asian, whatever, let these people do. I mean, let them go and get it out. I mean, they done studied, they done sleepless nights, done partied one night knowing they had an exam the next day and was able to get through that. I mean, come on now. These schools need to chill out on that. I mean, they really do. Now, like I said, if somebody is running across there butt naked, because I can remember back in the day, honey, folks, in the 80s, there was butt naked up under some of their graduation gowns. Oh, yeah, we had a few of my class, yeah, they got in trouble behind that. But, I mean, come on now. If they're not doing anything, they're not being disrespectful to the faculty, they ain't flicking them off and all. Live and let live. I mean, good grief. We're talking about one day. We're talking about one day, okay? And to me, that's the time to celebrate. Shoot. You haven't had to write all them paper. Because I thought at one point that I wanted to go back to school And I thought, no. And when I got out and got my business degree, I thought, you know what? And like I said, I had contemplated going back to school and getting my master's and all that. I thought, while I was in my 40s, I thought, nah. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. And shout out to kudos to people I'm not knocking them. Don't hear what I'm not saying. Now, if it was necessary for me to do it for job purposes, you know. I applaud anybody that goes back to school and get theirs. But yeah, these youngers, leave these youngers alone. You know, let them do their little dance and stuff. What y'all think about that? Shouldn't each student get like a 3 to 5 second hit man? Watch it. Hey, yeah, get them a little James Brown. Don't y'all think? What y'all think? Give them at least 3 seconds to get it, you know, get them a good one in, you know. And just let the students know, look, we got to call 5,000 folks. Each one, y'all can get you a good 2 to 3 second move in and keep it moving. Y'all. What is that noise? Is this just seat making that squeaking noise? I wonder, can y'all hear it being picked up? But yeah, I thought about that thing. And I think it's like that at certain sporting events too, for children. Certain sporting events, you can't be doing all that hollering. Oh my God, the flavor, y'all. It's hot, but y'all can see I built up a tolerance. I can do 1 pack of hot sauce with 2 packs of noodle. Can y'all hear that? Ooh, that's going to aggravate my nerves. I need to find some WD-40. I know like fresh cucumber. I don't know what. I'm making a mess. I should have moved my keyboard. Let me do that. This is a wireless keyboard. Blooper. Blooper. Let me sit it up here. I'll wipe it off when I finish my mukbang. Doggone, Tonya, you got it on your screen and everything. Watch what you're doing, girl. I can feel the fire. Oh, excuse me. Mm. 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 Oh, and another thing I was going to, like I said, maybe it's just me. Mm. Good. Okay. Y'all help me. Y'all help me. What's up with the folks who don't want to reveal their baby's name? I mean, I mean, I can understand how some parents don't even like to talk about if they're pregnant. In other words, they don't let the family know that they're pregnant until, like, you know, maybe when they're entering into the second trimester, because they want to make sure the baby's healthy, there's no problems, blah, blah, blah. Excuse me. And as long as there's no, you know, immediate health issues and there's no major issues, most people let you know they're pregnant after about, what, about 2.5 months, 3 months. Then they let everybody know. Okay, that's understandable. I even understand some people, they don't want to know the gender of their baby because they just wanted it to be surprised. Totally get that. I totally get that, you know, they need to know the gender of the baby so they can plan, like what to buy for the nursery, what color scheme to go with, the whole 9 yards. I think it's cute when they do the gender reveal and all this other kind of stuff. And I mean, you know, it is what it is. All that stuff is now down to marketing, isn't it now, y'all? And yes, it's a joyous occasion. I get it. I totally get it. I get it. And then they got these things, what they call push parties, or a push gift, I should say. You know, baby showers and all that has always been on the scenes. You know, I already know, you know, everybody. But I mean, I'm learning about all this other new stuff that, you know, is being marketed and people are going out and buying all. And like I said, please, has no way, shape, or form of the celebration and the honor it is for a mother bring a child in the world. That ain't even what I'm talking about. So don't get all sensitive. I'm not talking about. I'm just talking about all this stuff now. Is it just me, or is it like, I don't know what to say when you ask, when somebody's telling you that, you know, they're expecting a baby, and you know, because back in the day, I mean, you know, people would say, well, if it's a girl, she's going to be Susie. If it's a boy, it's going to be Billy. Whatever, you know. Oh, no, honey. Oh, no, honey. It is almost like a sin, the cardinal sin. We talking about taboo. If you ask what the name of the child is going to be before the child is born. I didn't know, y'all. Nobody sent me a memo. It's almost like that dog thing about the dogs and stuff and their pets and stuff. Nobody ever sent me. I guess I need to stay in my lane or something. Nobody told me it was against, you know, the congressional caucuses of the United States of America to ask somebody the name of their baby before the baby's. I thought y'all were my buddies here. I thought y'all kept Lady T in the loop. Nobody told me. Ooh. And I'm not picking on people, because there might be some of you ladies out here that are pregnant that watch me and you like, yeah, Tonya, yeah, that's a big deal. Okay, excuse me. Excuse me. I didn't know him. Well, honey, I guess I know now, honey. But I guess, you know, you live and learn. Live and learn. Now, I hate when you get to the bottom of these noodles, it's a bunch of little pieces. It's hard to pick them up. But yeah, honey, y'all, such is life. But you know what? Isn't that the truth, though? You know, I guess you have to let people live and let live. You know, there's some things we do traditionally, you know, and people are just living their own life, and I get it. You know, I'm just making conversation, but, you know, I just like, wow, you know, but, you know, as time goes on, you know, stuff does change. You know, people don't do things like they used to do, you know, and that's okay, but I guess there's just certain rules that, honey, we have to keep up on, honey. Or otherwise, we're going to get left behind, and we're going to be causing all kinds of problems for people when we ask certain questions, honey. Well, your homegirl found out. All right, y'all, I got to shut it down. That's gonna be it, y'all. Just a little scrap stuff there. But yeah. Y'all, please stay tuned for tomorrow. I don't have a clue what we're gonna eat, or what I'm gonna eat, I should say. Well. That's a wrap, y'all. I'm gonna get me some water. Excuse me, clean up my work desk. And we're gonna get back to work. Well, I got 15 more minutes. I like to read after I eat. Read the Bible after I eat. And speaking of spiders, y'all, remember I did the video, there was a spider? Honey, my sister got bit by a spider, honey. Yes. She was out in her yard. She has a nice yard, and she likes to go out there and do her gardening. Anyway, honey, she was out there and she felt something on her backside, and she went to slap her backside, and honey, let me tell you. Yeah. So anyway, they had to put her on 4 antibiotics, and where she got bit, it had to be lanced. So that lets you know, yeah, it won't no joke. But anyway, honey, that's why I'm a certain way when it comes to bugs and stuff. But anyway, let me go. I've been running my mouth long enough. Anyway, y'all, make sure you stop over here on the Flavor Train on tomorrow night, so we can get our live on. Hit the bell, hit the like, and make everything all right. Anyway, y'all, love you. Thanks for stopping on the Flavor Train, because what? Flavor is where it's at. Bye, y'all.